Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. So I gotten my second delivery for my advent calendars for this year. I also did get one from Sadie Stickers, and this one is from Goldmine and CoCo. I mean, you guys know I already had to, like, it was without a doubt. So I'm gonna go ahead, show you guys what everything looks like, what's in the box, and then from there we will go ahead and I want you to jump over to Instagram because that's where I'm going to be opening up everything every day on Instagram. I'm not going to put the compilation video until I come back here. So if you guys don't have Instagram, then you'll just have to wait until I'm done. But I am going to go ahead and open up everything day by day. This is my first year having an advent calendar, so the excitement of seeing everything on different days, I'm really excited about. So let me take a sip of my coffee. I'm going to open up this box. Without further ado, let's open it up. Oh yes, this is okay. So I believe we have a total of 12 days, I believe it is. So, oh yes. All right, let me pull everything out of the box. It is 12 days leading up into, I believe it will be Christmas Eve, if I'm doing the math correctly, or maybe Christmas Day. I'm not really sure. You'll see. If you follow me, you'll see. But yes, I mean, clearly some things are very visible. Like I already see this is day 1. So you kind of get a glimpse of what it looks like. We just don't know what exactly it is. But I'm looking forward to like seeing everything and having that excitement about all of this goodness. I'm telling you, it's like goodness. So make sure you guys are tuned in to see the opening of all of my things, and I cannot wait to show you guys when I come back here on YouTube. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Have you subscribed yet? Did you subscribe? How many times I gotta say it? Did you subscribe? Thank you if you did already. Thank you for coming back. But yes, so that is going to be really it for this video. It's going to be really, really quick. I just wanted to go ahead, show you guys what everything looked like opening up the box. And then tune into my Instagram for the openings of it day by day. And I can't wait to show you guys.